This video is about the procedure relating to starting a company in India under Companies Act 2013. We see a lot of companies popping up around us every day. Everybody wants to be his own master, but they may not exactly know the technicalities that lay behind their entrepreneurship dreams. So today, we may discuss about companies. A company may be formed for any lawful purpose. Where the company to be formed is to be a public company, it must have 7 or more persons and a paid up capital of rupees 5 lakhs or more. If it is a private company, then 2 or more person is enough. A private company must have a minimum paid up capital of rupees 1 lakh. Even a one-person company may be formed. A company may be a company limited by shares or by guarantee or can be an unlimited company. A company limited by shares means a company in which the liability of its members are limited to the amount of shares held by them. Whereas company limited by guarantee is a company having the liability of its members limited to such amount as they undertake to contribute in the event of winding up of the company. Now let's see what is a listed company. It means a company which has any of its securities listed on any recognized stock exchange. Now, the first step is to prepare the memorandum of the company, stating its name, area, objects, liabilities, share capital, etc. The articles of a company shall contain the regulations for management of the company. The memorandum and articles of the company, duly signed by all subscribers, shall be filed with the registrar. He may issue a certificate of incorporation and allot a corporate identity number. From that date, all the subscribers to the memorandum becomes members of the company. A company shall, on and from the 15th day of its incorporation, have a registered office. A public company may issue securities to public through prospectus, that's by public offer, or through private placement, or through a rights issue or a bonus issue. It is compulsory for the company to appoint a chartered accountant as auditor at the first annual general meeting itself. Every company shall have a board of directors and shall have a minimum number of 3 directors in a public company, 2 directors in the case of a private company, and 1 for one-person company. The maximum is 15 directors. Every company shall hold the first meeting of the board of directors within 30 days of its incorporation and thereafter hold a minimum of 4 meetings every year. Where the registrar has reason to believe that a company has failed to commence its business within 1 year of its incorporation, or if the subscribers had not paid the subscription within 180 days from incorporation, or where the company is not carrying on any business for a period of 2 immediately preceding financial years, then the registrar may give notice to remove the name of the company from the Register of Companies. The Companies Act 2013 also provides for National Company Law Tribunal and Appellate Tribunal.